Where are we going?
Bucky.
Bucky's gonna go swimming?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You're silly. Are you ready, Hayden? You wanna go outside too? Yeah? Okay, here we go. The bees are busy. There's a deep spot there? It gets so mucky on the beach, eh? Hayden, are you having fun? Yeah. What? No, you don't go to the river by yourself. Remember, the river monster's gonna come up and get you. And that's very scary. The river monster only takes little girls, not dogs. Okay, maybe it's time to come back inside. Or come back. Was that fun, Bucky? Yeah, you're all wet. Shiloh, let's go. She's like, no.
Again. Mommy.
Bucky's not sick.
Yeah.
No. Do you hear all the bees buzzing?
Oh yeah, I see them here.
Yeah, they're pollinating the tree. That's
Perfect.
good.
Right on.
Oh yeah, here's those buds on this tree. This tree's not doing so good, but it's got a few.
Yeah.
So maybe it'll produce something. Shiloh, stay here. And here's my potato. Bucky, out. Potatoes are coming up. I only seen 2 potatoes come up. Oh, here's another potato. That's a new one. Oh, here's another one. Oh, here's another one. And another one right there. We worked on the chicken coop yesterday. Got some of the wire up on the roof there and there. We just have to do this side and then the walls. But we've ran out of staples. Yesterday we were just working outside, and then all of a sudden Brett looked at Bucky, and Bucky was just laying there like all stretched out. So then he went up to him and he tried getting up and he could not walk. He was just like stumbling over and just couldn't stand. And we had no idea what was happening. We've never seen that before. And when we Googled it or whatever, looked it up on the internet, we realized that he was having a seizure. So we've been monitoring him. It was so scary because we've never experienced that before. And we did change his food like a month ago. So we're wondering if that's what caused it. So we're gonna change his food back. But hopefully it was just a one-time thing because poor Bucky. Hey, Bucky. I'm ready. Woo!
No, Dad.
You're not starting it.
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm starting the tiller though.
Oh, you're tilling? Okay.
I'll extend that. So I wouldn't recommend using a front tine tiller like this to till up a new garden. I'd want maybe a rear tine tiller or something on the back of a garden tractor. That would work a lot better. You can see I bounced around quite a bit and it's pretty sore on the arms, but it seemed to do a good job. I mean, it doesn't look awful. There's still lumps and bumps and stuff I'm gonna have to till out. I'll have to till a number more times. Even where Carly's planted, it needs to be tilled a few more times, but overall not bad for the extension. Now Carly can plant the rest of her plants. Nice little tiller, just not the right one for the job, but I like that tiller.
What are you doing, Hayden? Yeah. You're a big girl. Can you walk? Come here. Whoa! That was scary. That was scary. Oh man, my face is so red. We got way too much sun yesterday. Oh, Brett and I. The girls are okay. Peyton got a little bit of sun on her arms, but Brett and I, oh my word, we are so red. We're like lobsters, especially our backs. Halen just walks a few steps and then she falls forward as she's walking, so we always have to catch her. But she's doing good. She's getting the hang of it. Brett's outside tilling the garden. And yeah, I mentioned about Bucky before. Oh, poor guy. We just have been watching him. I just hope it doesn't happen again, and I hope that was the first time that's happened, but we've never noticed because he's an outside dog. So yeah, we just hope that that's the first time and the last time. We're gonna go, we might go today or for sure tomorrow to the store and get him change his food back to what it was, and yeah, and then see if it happens again. If it happens again, then we're gonna have to take him to the vet just to see what is going on. It's Sunday today, and it's It's nice and warm today, but Brett and I are so sunburnt. I don't think we're going to be doing much outside. He's tilling the garden, and then really have to finish planting the garden. So maybe I'll do that today. I'm just making Peyton some toast. It just popped, so I'm going to go make that for her. They're calling for rain like the next 2 or 3 days, so hopefully once it's raining we'll spend the time inside and work on the kitchen, get it finished. If you've been watching the videos for a little while, you've noticed our kitchen has looked like this for like at least a month, maybe 2. I don't know, I don't want to admit to it. But yeah, it's taking a long time, longer than we expected, but that's how things go, right? What are you eating?
Toast.
With jam
And butter.
and butter. Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
There goes Shiloh. It's crazy. She just chases the birds back and forth, and if she can't get the birds, she just chases the shadows. Burns off her energy that way.
Can I see?
Yeah, come look out the window. Crazy girl. We haven't noticed the food affecting her, so I don't know, but maybe it just only affects certain dogs. I don't know, maybe it's not even the food. I think we'll just try changing his food back and then go from there, because poor guy, that was so scary, I don't want that to happen to him again. Poor guy. I'm going to the garden, are you coming? We're gonna do some more planting now that Brett's tilled it. Made it bigger for us. I planted like 6 rows of potatoes, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows of potatoes, so that took up lots of our garden. So because it's so sunny here in this area where we have our garden, I put 2 rows of corn so that when they grow it'll shade a little bit. And then I got our potatoes here.
Daddy.
And then I did another row of corn for some more shade, to shade the rest of the garden. And then I got cucumbers beside the corn. And then here I have green beans.
Yeah.
What did I plant beside the green beans? Okay, no, those must be potatoes. And then, no, I mean, that must be the corn. Potatoes, corn, cucumbers, green beans. And then here I planted peas up to the first stake, lettuce, and then garlic to the end. And here I'm gonna plant carrots.
I see it.
You see Daddy coming?
Yeah.
And then,
I don't come here.
yeah, I got carrots yet to plant.
Not
We
yet.
got onions. I have more garlic, but I don't know if I'm gonna plant all that garlic. That's a lot of garlic. A lot of stuff we have.
Oh, pretty.
Ooh, pretty. And then I have all of the plants that we started already, like the tomatoes and the peppers, so that needs to go in too. So, yeah. And then if we had extra room, Brett wanted these yellow beans. Last year we planted 2 rows of green beans, and this year I counted, I put 60 seeds in the ground. So I hope that's enough. I don't know, it sounds like a lot. Oh, and I need to plant dill because we're gonna make pickles this year. Dill pickles, okay?
Oh, no.
Yum! We're gonna start with carrots.
That's okay.
Okay,
Okay.
let's get planting. Our carrot seeds.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna plant them?
Yeah.
Plant them in here, okay?
Okay. They will come here.
Yeah, you put them in the ground. Watch, mommy, put it in your hand. Hold your hand up flat. Okay, you put them in the ground over here, okay? Put them in the row.
Here?
Yep. Good job. Good job. There you go. Good girl. Now, should mommy do it? I'll show you how we do it. This one we just go like this. Watch. Watch mommy.
Okay.
These are carrots.
Okay.
Okay, now we gotta move over. You just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Sprinkle. That looks like a sprinkle.
You find the one that says carrots, okay? You see carrots?
Yeah.
Let's see. Pull them out.
What?
These.
Oh.
Is that carrots?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go plant some more.
That make a bigger.
So now we have carrots on that side of the string. And on this side of the string, I'm gonna plant dill. I got some dill seed from my parents. This is just from their dill in their garden. It's a huge bag. I'm not planting this much. This will last me for a few years, but we planted it last year and it came up, so we're gonna plant it again. And Halen is out there mowing with Daddy. Bucky's still doing good. And Peyton is going to get her Elsa doll. Dill for the pickles. Mm-mm. Put it in a roll, okay? Pick some up with your fingers. Not too much. That's too much. Just a little bit. Okay, there. Here, mommy will give it in your hand, okay? Here. This could be a disaster. You go plant it right in the row, okay?
Okay. Well, yes, yes.
We're gonna have dill all over our garden, I'm sure. Come plant it right here by mommy's foot.
Also.
Elsa will plant it.
She's pointing at things, and when I have my hand on her belly, I can feel her. She's talking. Look how dirty you are.
Okay, bye.
Halen, what happened? The mower stopped. Look at it. What'd you do? We ran out of gas. In the worst possible part, because it's the furthest from the house. Look at this. That's our house. Way out there. And that's where we're parked. Wow, eh? At least it's a nice little walk back.
My guess is the mower ran out of gas. He ran out of gas to the furthest part away from our property.
Are you okay over there? Are you okay over there?
Out of gas. I was even thinking on my way out there, I was like, I wonder if I should check the gas. Nah, I filled it up last time. But I've mowed the yard twice already.
Yeah.
Oh, once.
Oh.
Okay. How was your walk?
That was a good walk.
We just got inside now. Peyton's eating a feces.
Again?
I'm all sweaty and nasty. We just finished planting our garden. We all put the hard work in. Finished it. It's about to rain soon, so just in time for the rain. Yeah. What were you planting in the garden? Beans? We lost 2 pumpkin seeds somewhere, so.
Could be a surprise later.